All right, what is up, YouTube? What is going on? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. It's the weekend, baby. Coming off of a good month of April and also an awesome first day of the month yesterday of May. And I just wanted to come in and look at April and just look at the stuff that I did right and take a closer look at the things that I did wrong and try to make sure I can not do those things in May and do more of the things that got me these nice green days. So, where do we start? Did I import yesterday? Let's see. I think there's May. Look at May, boy. Great start to May. All right. Let's go to the old dashboard. Let's single out April and let's start. I remember this trade. Um, hmm. um, are the trend lines global on this thing? Uh, yeah, that was a crazy buy on that one. Super crazy. Hmm. Man, I wish I had kept my scanner on my OBS so I could go back and look and see the days that I was trading the highest volume gainer versus the days that I wasn't. Because I think a lot of my issue was trading not the thing that, was truly in play. That for sure. But I mean, also we have this pretty nasty execution here on what that's about. And really just lots of FOMO. And not even realizing myself buying at the top of the range. Like, this is crazy. What's this high? 1833. Man, I mean, it came down. Yeah, that's at the very least, this is where I should have been trying to enter. And you got this high over here at 1851. Wow. Did I have these levels even drawn? Look at that. Super easy trade off of that level. Yeah, this is the beginning of April. I wasn't even Wasn't even calculating. High volume top too. Yeah, I was wilding. Hmm. I can see me trying this guy right here, but definitely not that. And even this is a really tall wick. How did that go? 55. Mm. Size 1401. Hmm. 1401, and then we got 1426. 25 is right up there. Yo, what up, Trey? Sure, you already put that work in earlier this morning, huh? Or are you taking breaks on the weekend? What's your plan for the weekend? I know you've been trying to not overload on the chart work. That's crazy work. Bro, these executions at the beginning of the month were nasty. Nasty. That's what's up. Yeah, that's like I'm tape is such a it's still super abstract, man. Like sometimes I feel like I'm getting it and then some days I'll watch it and just feel like I'm getting a bunch of fake outs. Um I did feel like I got a little step up in understanding over the last week though watching it and seeing the big order get knocked out and then it sell down and then break back over that same price level. I saw that happen a lot. And yeah, it seemed like when it was able to make it back over that level where that huge order was, it seems to go up pretty well after that. Sometimes. But man, just waiting for the red, bro. Just waiting for the red. Like this could have been a really nice trade, just waiting for the red. This is high. 1850. Right there, bro. Look at that. That's bananas, bro. Yeah, that's a nice analogy right there. But yeah, this level right here is clear as day, but it's not really a great day to trade it, honestly. Yeah, that's a super clear level right there. Super clear. Yeah, like I mean, just a super tight entry right here, bro. Back up to high of day is crazy. Almost pre-market high. Just the approach was ridiculous. I wonder if I got back in this thing. Bruh, mad resistance, man. Yeah, if I just stop doing that, bro. Major leg up. 2450. It's nowhere in sight. Yeah, what that was. This one's actually not the worst candle to approach. Um, just bought it way high. Way high and stop needed to go under the lows. Think I used the clearly I used the entry candle for my stop on this one. Would have made it out all right had I not done that. Also, I've been noticing a lot the stocks that really make like the huge move in pre-market, like the chances of them redoing that the same day are like super slim. Like it made the move and then just did nothing after that. Dang, really just stressing me out looking at these crappy trades. 50 to 75 is way higher than what I've been looking at. It's different in small cap land. Most of these joints be barely breaking 5% at the open. Yeah. They do a lot though. A lot of them go up 20% throughout the day. The ones that actually run. The highest volume one usually. But yeah, just crazily buying the top of the range. Basically breakout trading for real. That's crazy. Wow. Way up there. Like, what was I expecting to happen from here? Like, it's just gonna keep going straight up. Like, come on, bro. I'm just stuck in my little bubble looking at this one little red candle. And back in again. Yeah, I was crashing out this day for sure. Again. Let's try it after the big wick on the 15. Yeah, that's why max loss is super important, man. These just be days where I'm just not on point. Got wrecked on wrecked. Seven. What is this? I was how'd I get back to $1 at something? A $2 stock. I was hopelessly wandering on this day. Yeah. I usually remember my trades, but I don't remember this crap at all. Man, just needed to let that red candle print, bro. Mm-mm-mm. 1535. Bruh, it's a trip going back and putting the levels in afterwards and seeing how they get respected. Mm. Think I was doing 2 hour all or nothing right here. I remember being scared to get in down here. uh, I could have ate way better. Yeah, it'll be way easier. It's like I feel like a lot of these trades, well, most of these trades were absolutely taken without that in mind. Kind of makes me feel like I need to just look at the last week. Would you look at that? It's a bit late in the day though. I think I might have got back in this one. Yeah, actually, I know I did. Yeah, yeah. This volume was kind of evident on this one, seeing that, and then this big matching volume come right on the other side and engulf that candle. This was actually the spot right here, though. This volume probably would have scared me out, though. Mm. Yeah, I definitely got to wait for red to add back. This was really aggressive. My bad. Yeah, this was after stream. This was like 1 o'clock. Yeah, wildin'. Worked out nice though. Good stop management after the sale. Kept it tight. The scary ads, bro. Yeah, actually saw some pretty good ones towards the end, I think. Mm, really most curious about these last few days. I don't know what this was. I was definitely trading the one on this one. The one gets me in a lot of trouble, man. The one gets me in a lot of trouble. Yeah, I remember ignoring this wick too. Where's my mission statement that I started writing up? It's quite a bit of nuance to this stuff, man, that you really gotta keep in mind. It's nice the more of it that gets habit where you're not even thinking about it, you just see it and you know you don't need to remember. It's just how you trade. But yeah, top wick is diabolical. Man, that's why them 52-week highs are so nice, because it's like you got basically one level, just the last high, super clear to play off of. Playing inside of this range on the daily would be tough. There's so many levels that you could draw. This one, this little guy, 3420. Yeah. Yeah, there's another one that did a big pop pre-market and then sold off and did nothing else. I know this wasn't the highest volume gainer. Ain't no way. I think it might have been actually for a little while. And then I think USM or something came up behind it. Yeah, this daily was diabolical too. Dead cat bounce daily. Dang, bro. I remember being in my feelings about this one. 10:48. Yeah. It's a trip how often the stop out is the best entry. It's like they're doing it on purpose. It's like they're doing it on purpose. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a trip looking back at some of these and trying to figure out how I could have navigated it. But there's something that you can't see looking back at a dead chart that you get in the moment. I guess because you got the level two and time and sales going as well, and you just kind of got a general feel of the momentum. But the more I shift my mindset to wanting the lowest, that low level, that low price off the level, the better things will get for sure. It's feeling kind of abstract here again. Like, what am I doing here? So why this was April 1st. Yeah, it's really that simple, man, at this point. What's the main roadblock you dealing with right now, Trey? You feel like you did better hitting that button this week? Seemed like you did. You took like 3 trades every day. Yo, Montana. What's going on, bro? Shoot, man, it's all good right now. We in the we in the good side of trading right now. We on the upside. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's really quite simple, man. It's so simple that you don't need indicators or nothing, bro. It's like the further you get down the road, you realize the less you need. Kind of like that remember that shooter, that sharpshooter from the Olympics? I think it was, I don't know, the last summer Olympics or whatever. And everybody had all these gadgets and like arm devices and these glasses and stuff, and then oh boy just came out there with nothing, and it was just pow pow nothing, no extras. Yeah, Montana, like simple, clean, and he came out there and handled business, man. Like that's what this is becoming, you know. All the indicators and markers and all of that stuff is just like the game is simple. Support and resistance, man. Support and resistance. That's funny because I remember like the first time I had like my first breakout or breakthrough, which was like in 2022 or something. It was just realizing like, hey, if I draw these lines and just trade off with these lines, like it works out a lot better. Works out a lot better. Took off my indicators back then too. And I just didn't have the ability to sit on hands. It's still probably the weakest part of my game is to just sit and wait. Anything like market videos and stuff. Yeah, bro, the mindset has been the next breakthrough for sure. Has been the recent breakthrough aside from coming back to levels. Oh yeah, what you got? Trend line? Yeah. Yeah, I like the idea, but I think it's something that can definitely go hand in hand with the with support, but the drawing the trend line is so it's kind of like we were talking about indicators, how it's about that day. The trend line is about the price action that day, but the support and resistance is historical. what makes a trader tilt and unable to stop. Um, when you're on tilt, yeah, I think you just get emotionally hijacked and you lose perspective on the whole game. You know, yeah, you just you're it's like you forget everything, and all that matters is winning, is being right in that time. Yeah, what's up, Focus? Mindfulness. Yeah, I was trying to think, Montana, like I need to have some kind of reset routine after a loss. And like I need to start over and break myself out of the moment. Like get up and do some push-ups or something, or go use the bathroom or go drink some water or something to reset, man. Yeah, I mean that's my max loss where I give myself room to lose three in a row. But like I really don't even think losing three in a row, like to me, that's just a clear sign that my mental's off. Cause I don't think I should be able to lose three in a row if I'm actually trading a stock in play, like the highest volume gainer with a catalyst. Like the chances of losing three in a row, like there's something wrong with my mind. What do you do to stay mindful, Montana, after a loss? You got a routine already? Oh, that's your trader rehab focus, one trade a day. My best days are one trade, man, one or two trades, and then I'm good. Yo, Stanford. Hey, what's up, Brian? I was pretty tardy today myself, Brian. We just now getting some good convo going though. Mm, yeah. Yeah, most days too, when I have those crash outs, I think about my morning routine and how it's like non-existent, especially on those days. Those are usually the days where I'm late or I come in, I sit down and I'm not really focused. Oh yeah, that's cool. What you drive, man? Yeah, I've been missing my morning routine a lot, going to the gym too, waking up late. Sometimes I feel like it's worth the sacrifice because sometimes I'm just so sleepy, bro. Now I'm just like, man, it'd be worth sleeping an extra hour than getting up and going to the gym. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Weaving through rush hour. What's my food focus? Sleep. Mm. Nah, I mean, ain't much you can do when you only get like 4 or 5 hours of sleep to not be tired. uh, it feels almost impossible to get a good night's sleep, man. Yeah. Yeah, things would definitely be different if I was getting up for a fight for sure. I would make myself go to sleep. Like, hey man, chill out. I gotta go to bed. I gotta fight in the morning. A sleep study. Yeah, I was thinking about trying to make sure I sleep with my watch on because it has stuff that tracks your sleep and all that. Yeah, I need to just shut everything out of my life and just be like, whatever's not in alignment. with my routine is just gonna have to get moved out the way. Wife and kids and everybody, like, hey, look, trying to do something for all of us here. Y'all got to get out the way. Hmm. I've been eating a lot lately though, focus. I didn't gain like 10 pounds last month. Huh. I don't think to check that though. Um, yeah, I don't really eat junk, focus. I don't eat like I don't like fast food, and I be eating good. I, I be eating good most for the most part. Like I'm really conscious about protein because I work out a lot, and I want to, if I don't eat anything, I want to make sure I eat some protein. Oh yeah, that's tough, Stanford. Sleep headgear. The only thing that scares me about that, like I've considered using earplugs and stuff like that, but like I'm the protector of the house, so blocking out all my senses to go to sleep just feels like really wrong. I'm the first line of defense, you know. Yeah, protein and glucose. You mostly trade small caps, Brian. You trade small caps pre-market, right? I live in a dangerous neighborhood. um, hmm. No, I wouldn't consider that. I wouldn't say I live in a dangerous neighborhood, but stuff happens, man. Stuff happens. Why am I worried about it? It's just my job, man. It's just my job. But yeah, maybe I don't need to be as strict. Oh, that's what's up. I'm curious to hear about your dividend plays. I started a Schwab account, and I just have uh some like basic stuff, some high dividend stuff, but nothing that like checking charts for or anything like that. First goal is to exit the household if someone gets in. It's too many of us, bro. It's too many of us. I got to start clearing rooms if someone gets in. Yeah, bro. I got mad kids. But I mean, yeah, I guess maybe that is kind of my worry about that is maybe uh a little more than it needs to be. But I just be on some stay ready so you don't have to get ready type stuff, man. Driving with suicidal tendencies. Yeah, it's nothing like getting up and like completing my whole routine, like stretching and praying, going to the gym, getting like my full session, not the I'm running late session, but the full weights and cardio session, and then getting to the office on time with at least an hour before open. Those are usually good days. But I've been building on my morning routine. It's getting pretty solid. Like I finally wrote out an updated mission statement that I've been reading each morning, and I started a morning routine folder where I've been putting screenshots of things that I don't want to do and things that I do want to do as far as executions uh, on charts, which I got a whole bunch of them from April that I can load up with. But I don't think much of them will be a problem anymore after these last couple weeks. Yeah. Just seeing some semi-consistent green for myself, because I'll have times where I can't buy a green day, man. Like these type of streaks like this, like 4 days in a row red, like bro, those are devastating. That's when hope is just like, am I ever gonna be able to do this? Yeah, the mid caps have been. I've totally found my home in mid caps. I'm totally chilling. Like I don't have any inclination to trade anything else at all. Claude, huh? Let's see. I It's funny, man, because when the market dipped, I got scared to keep adding to my dividend plays, and it bounced so hard that I just completely missed the entire dip. But I got KBWY, which is a equity REIT, and I got DIV, Global Super Dividend, and then I got SPYD and SCHD. I feel like those two are kind of the same, but yeah, I've been trying to take 10% out of my income and put those in every week. I've missed like a month of it though. Yeah. Like all last week, I had the Green Friday and then the no trade day, which actually the no trade day was really bad for my mindset, Montana. I came in super anxious to take a trade after my no trade day. Both of these days, actually, both of these I think were just no trade days. Did I Was that the 21st or was I not here? I think I had three no trade days this month where I just sat there and didn't trade. And both of those days I came in and had red days afterwards. But yeah, it's been like red day, green day, red day, green day. I really I really need to stitch some green days together because I'm just going in circles right now. Just kept being up 10R, down 7R. I mean, back down to 7, then 10, then 7. We got holidays next week. Like no trade day holidays. Okay, we don't have any market closures till May 25th. That's cool. All right. Good. I hate those days so much, bro. There are always days that I care nothing, like Memorial Day, like bruh. I feel bad being upset about Juneteenth, but bro, I be like, man, come on, man. uh, come on, man. We can kick it on Saturday for Juneteenth, bro. Come on, man. Independence Day. Come on, man. Like, bruh, we got the weekend. Why we need to close on the weekdays? It's cool. Most days away from the market are pretty good mental resets. Sometimes, but yeah, patience is the big thing I've discovered too. Like this month, I was looking at my trades before like 9:40, really bad. But it's kind of hard to pull too much of a correlation because I got bad trades all throughout the range. But I don't have any wins in this time slot at all. Yeah, man, you got some nice vibes there, Montana. Got some nice mindset vibes there, bro. Yeah, Mother's Day's on Sunday, so we ain't got to worry about that focus. Yeah, but my main objective for May is just to let the open shake out, like no trades until at least the first two 5 minute candles close, and just to make sure I'm trading the highest volume gainer, man. At least top two, but namely the top one. Yeah, and trades off support, bro. That's the whole game now. Like I took off. The indicators were they're cool because they give you perspective on the trend, and VWAP gives you some perspective on the strength. But it's like a dynamic support that I get lured into taking trades off of versus the solid support lines. Hold on 1 second, yeah. All right, my bad, y'all. Ah, hmm. Yeah, it was it's been super tough because I didn't know what I wanted to be trading. Like I kept bouncing back and forth from small caps, mid caps, large caps, low floats, mid float, high float, and basically just whatever was moving that day I wanted to trade, whether it was ideal for the way I think about trading or not. But the mid cap is has been like perfectly lined up to how I want to trade, you know, especially using the 5 minute and just trading off support and having finding a nice target. It's been money, man. It's been money. And I got my RR like right where I want it. 3.23 to 1. Just got to get this win rate up, man. The win rate is hot garbage. And most of that is jumping the gun, trading stocks not in play, and buying the top of the range. And I think I've fixed most of that, like from a strategic standpoint. I still have bad habits though. From April 16th, was that when I made like a big change? Can I include the 1st of May? uh, Ooh, 3.48, 36.6, 36.3. Yeah, pretty fire. Getting there, man. Dang. Yeah, I know I'm cooking when I cross 40%. Damn, that's pretty solid, bro. Yeah, man. I think that was pretty positive move, Brian. I think that was pretty positive move. I've been actually listened to a couple things recently about that and just I actually got somebody close to me who's very negative minded and like vocally says negative things all the time, and it just it stands out to me so much, and I just be like, man, you can't say stuff like that. Like you can't talk about life with those words, man. Like it really affects your mindset and how you perceive the world, and your perception is everything, you know. That's why it's called spelling. Yeah. Yeah. Language is a trip, focus. All the stuff that's in the especially the English language, man. The English language is diabolical, bro. If you look at all the stuff we got in the language, man. Oh man. Yeah, for sure, Montana. I've been coming to more understanding on that. Mm. Man, I appreciate you guys, Brian and Lady. I'm grateful for you guys sticking through, bro. It's been I feel like it's been pretty tough to be a supporter of mine. It's been tough for me to be a supporter of mine. Like just to maintain the dream, yeah, hard headed for sure. But it just takes a while for me to come around on some things, you know. You don't know what you don't know. Dag nabbit. I hate that. My bad. Um, nah, I was saying that Stock Honcho. There's been quite a few people on me about the name, and you're definitely one of them too. But even when I came around to it, I thought I would have to start a new channel. I didn't realize that I could just go in and edit and change everything. Um, so yeah, I think once I realized I could do that, and then I went into my old Discord, my Sniper Squad Discord, and was looking at my strategy and was looking at my old executions, and I was just like, yeah, man, I got to get back to this. And seemed like that was a pretty decent catalyst for some necessary changes, for some beneficial changes. A weekly report. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a end of month report probably after we get off of this study sesh. Um, yeah, it's really hard to it's hard to make extra videos and content when you're doing really bad. Like I don't have any motivation to do the YouTube stuff because all I really care about is the trading. Like I want to be a successful trader, and then the YouTube is like something that comes along with that, hopefully. But like these YouTube guys, I ain't gonna say no names. Buying subscribers and stuff and such, and can't trade their way out of a paper bag and still making content every day. I'm not there. I got a buddy that's been pushing me to make content for a couple years now, and it's really hard when it ain't going. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of stuff about the AI bubble bursting, but they just keep pouring more money into it. So I don't know. I don't see a move away from it. It's gonna take over everything. I think. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a bubble. I think it's. I mean, financially, it might pop like a bubble, but nah, they're not making money. The report I saw, nobody's making money. They just the cost. They're just pouring more money into it, but it's not really uh, a profitable venture. Like it costs a lot of money to run these AI models. Hmm. I mean, yeah, I appreciate it, Brian. That was my whole idea was to show, the actual struggle of what it takes to become a day trader. I didn't want to struggle, but how's that, Trey? Yeah, lots of revenue but no profit. That's kind of what I got from what I've seen about these AI companies that it's a lot of money being moved around, but actual profit from it is not really there. That's interesting, Montana. Y'all remember Batman Forever with the Riddler, with Jim Carrey as the Riddler, and he put all those devices in everybody's home, and he was sucking all their brain power from the devices. That's gonna be us, bro. uh, these smart homes. Oh my god, yeah, total classic. This stuff is scary, man. I really want to make it big, like get consistent where I'm pulling like really good money, and I want to leave the country. I want to go somewhere simpler where you can go out to eat for $2 and get a nice big plate of food, and you know, rent is like $500 a month for a 3 bedroom. Huh? Leave before I turn 50. That would be awesome, bro. That would be awesome. If the Maldives, yeah, it's a lot of places, man. Yeah, I'm already mentally out. I've already mentally left the US, bro. I'm just waiting for everything else to catch up. I'm definitely gonna come through and see you in Egypt though, for sure. Yeah, 5K a month, bro. I need 10 to really feel like I did something though. Cause I do pretty good with construction. Although I mean 5K a month, I would be able to sit down for that. But oh yeah, in Egypt, yeah. That's true. That's true. That's king money. King money overseas. Yeah, no doubt. Man. Yeah. It feels so close, man. Like now I can see it again. It felt like, you get these times where it's just like, and maybe I just don't have the I can't get my mind to the place that it needs to be to make this work. But now I see it, again. More real than I've ever seen it actually, you know. Just got to control these red days. That's the real pickle. Yeah, that's bananas. it is, bro. It's so bad here. Like I'm seeing stuff talk about the increase of minimum wage versus the increase in cost of living over like the last 50 years. Like the cost to buy a house and the cost for milk and stuff like that. And it's so disproportionate. And the fact that we're spending billions and trillions overseas on wars and aid packages and basically a bunch of money laundering, and we doing so bad here. Yeah, I've been seeing that too, Focus. They just run up in there and take that joint. Q come home to their apartment and there's people in there. Like what? Like, yeah, bro. I'm the captain now. uh, yeah, the dream was a straight scam, bro. The dream is a scam. The small hats. uh, it's crazy, bro. They are the system. Like they've literally It is literally their system. Yeah, exactly, Trey. it's they are the system. uh, man, I know, bro. I was talking to Ben in the rabbit hole. I know we're gonna get in trouble, focus. He was like, I think he said I was giving the government too much credit, and he posted this small hat company saying like these are the people who want the ballroom, and I was like, bro, those people own the government, like they are. It's the same thing. uh, hey, Brian, you still in here? You trading an LLC? I started a LLC last year actually, and I was thinking about that, how that works, moving my brokerage from my personal name into my LLC. Man, I kept saying I was gonna catch some of these playoff games, bro, but I haven't seen a single one. This will actually be my second year missing the entire playoffs. Oh, okay. So your day trading is in the Schwab? Yeah, I guess I got a ways to go before that. Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, taxes, bro. Straight theft. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been net negative for quite a few years in the trading game focus, so I ain't really. I'm dreaming ahead right now. Okay, that's what's up. Mm, no consultant. Yeah, be nice to get to the point where I can just hire a tax guy to take care of all that stuff. Not have to learn how to do everything myself. Have to learn how to be a tax professional and an accountant and all that stuff. I mean, I need to know some of it, but yeah. Nah, I don't. I'm tired of doing everything myself, man. I gotta work on my car myself, work on the house myself. I gotta cut my own grass. I'm tired of being everything. My buddy always tells me, do what you do best and outsource the rest. Hmm. So the 16th is when everything changed, huh? Yep, sure was. Hmm. That's how you keep the economy going. Yeah. It started doing a little something. I get a little payout every other month from YouTube. It's been kind of cool. A little extra little something. Oh yeah, that would be super cool, Brian. I would definitely appreciate that. I haven't done anything tax wise with my trading at all. Like I've never included any of it when I do my taxes. Yeah, it don't matter. It's not relevant. Nah, yeah, I haven't. I mean, I haven't had a tax liability in a long time. Since I got my construction business, I've been pretty tax free for quite a few years. But yeah, clearly there's a knowledge gap as far as trading and taxes goes for me. I just felt like I'm not making no money, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely don't want no problems with Uncle Sam. I want to do things right from the start instead of having to retroactively fix things. Yeah, be broke on paper, right? Yeah, that Rich Dad Poor Dad changed my whole life, man. mm, man, what a dream this thing could be, bro. Like the possibilities are freaking crazy. All I gotta do is get my act together and keep it together. Patience and discipline. 1% daily. Hmm. All right, B. Appreciate you, bro. You guys have a good day, man. Living the trading life with the wife. That's pretty cool, bro. All right, focus. Um, I don't know. I felt like I had big things in mind to accomplish today in this study sesh, but um, I feel like everything's really super clear on what to do going forward. I don't know what to pull from I see from the 16th all my trades happened 9:45 or later. All the prices are between 15 and 30 bucks. Or wait, 15 and 50, 15 and 60. Got this little $10 guy in ONDS. Yeah, I didn't see those. 10 and 60. I think I have that price limit on my. Did I have that? Yeah, actually, I have between 10 and 100. 100 is too expensive, though. Yeah, I think 60 is probably high enough for mid cap range. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out too, y'all. It's been a fun little time. Nice little reflection on the month. Man, the 16th is it's been popping since the 16th, man. Sheesh. Hmm. Just gotta keep it simple, man. Draw the levels. I got my mission statement. It's pretty cool. Does this thing pop out? Go over this right quick and then I'm probably gonna bounce. Find the best stock. Attention should only be given to the best stock in play, not the first stock to pull back. Best stock is clear catalyst, highest volume, clean daily. Mark out support and resistance levels. Identify structure and predict where a logical pullback should and could or should happen, and wait for the pullback. A plus is 2 candle pullback into support on lower volume. Read volume. Bullish volume should have strongest volume candles coming from the green candles and the lower volume on the red candles. This is clear and objective. If all above is in line for an A plus setup, take the scary entry at the lows. Watch out for big top wicks. What you think, Trey? Number 2, mark out support and resistance levels. Let's see. Pull back into support. You want me to add the word level in there? Take out predict. I just mean like have like a plan. Like if I'm looking at a level and be like, all right, this would be a good level to catch the pullback. But you think that's bad language? Yeah, just like have an idea in my head on what what a good structured pullback would look like. Like sometimes you got a level, but it's kind of too high based on the price action, and you'd be like, nah, I think it needs to come down to this level. I think that would be the best entry to wait for, that type of thing. Yeah, but yeah, like if all the boxes are checked, you gotta snag that low entry, man, right off the line, bro. Like right off the line. Man, if I can get that tape solid, bro, I can really get that low price. And I'm not waiting for but I feel like the price that I look for when I'm looking at level 2 and tape is typically a closing price too. Like it's there's a candle that kind of lines up with it, with that price level as well, which is why the price closed there or around there. So I think the pattern kind of works. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm getting at, is that buying the break of close has been really nice. Like Rob changed the game for me with that. Y'all give Rob a hard time on a lot of stuff, but that input right there, like the effect that has had on my trading game is been like tremendous for not buying at the highs. I'm so disgusted with buying over the highs, bro. I don't never want to do that again. Yeah, I had never even heard of it or thought of an entry like that before. Yep, same. That joint is legit though. Like it's to the point where I don't feel like I need to really look around on the one. If everything else is lined up, like I like the volume and I like the level, like just take it, man. Just take that joint. And he told me the nuance behind it too, as far as not just taking the break of the close, but waiting for it to test lows first. Like letting it pull back a little first. Almost like a double bottom, either within itself or against the previous candle, and then take the break. Which is a, it's a pattern that happens on the one that I can see too. And that's why I be looking at the one to try to validate. But it's been working so well. I'm starting to trust it more and more. Yeah. Yep. All right, man. Well, I think I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna put out this put out a little end of month review video and get on about the day, man. And I do want to watch some tape though this weekend. I'll probably map out like an hour or so to watch some of my entries on the tape and see if I can pick up something from that. I usually can. I've actually been wanting to send you some clips and see if what I'm seeing is valid to you. So I might do that too. But anyway, the four of y'all in here, if y'all could hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Thanks for hanging out, man. And hopefully we can kick some butt on Monday. How many hours I put in today? Not that many, Rob. We've been sitting here politicking more than anything. I mean, I went through my trades, just kind of looking through a lot of my entries and seeing myself buying late, as you say, buying up high. And like a lot of my red trades were buying, you know, breaks of highs, buying into resistance, and missing the dips. But yeah, I was just talking about how your break of close entry has completely changed my game, bro. Completely changed my game. Yeah, it was getting dark, stock honcho. It was getting dark, man. But I'm feeling much better about everything now. Very hopeful and very excited for the month of May. I see big things ahead. I'm just really looking forward to conquering my red days and scaling up my risk. Yeah, it helped. Nah, it helped a lot, Rob. It helped a lot. Appreciate you, man. Trying to get Trey and Knives to ease up on you in the chat. Cause we cool, man. We cool. Yeah. I appreciate it, man. But I'm about to get out of here, Rob. So I'll catch you. Oh, one thing I did want to say, Rob. Man, that's real solid, stock honcho. That's real solid. I appreciate that. One thing I did want to flex a little bit on you, Rob, if a rookie like me may do such a thing, is I know we were talking about indicators, and I top ticked this riot trade Friday, indicator free, best sell of the day. But you know, even a broken clock is right twice a day, right? All right, y'all. Have a great weekend. I don't know if y'all watch boxing, but Benavidez is fighting tonight. Excited about that. Gonna hang out with my homeboy and watch that tonight. But yeah, man. I'll catch y'all Monday. Peace.